Hey guys, it's Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today I will be reviewing this kit that I got at the MoMA website. Usually I would be holding it up to show you before I did it, but my dog actually peed on the box, so I threw it out. But without further ado, let's try it. Here is the box that has not yet been peed on. Inside of the box looks like this. It comes with paint, a turkey baster, craft sticks and dowels, fabric painting surface, protective plastic, and an action painting kit. Inside it gives you ideas and different techniques, some information about Jackson Pollock. And now let's have some fun outside because I have a feeling this is gonna be really messy.
White teeth, black leather. You and I would go good together, babe. Black soul, white feathers. You and I would go good together. That smile, I don't know whether you should break my heart or put me together. And those eyes, I don't know whether we should just stay friends or if we should get together. Right, baby, right. Right, baby, right. You and I would go good together. White teeth, black leather. You and I would go good together, babe. Black soul, white feathers. You and I would go good together. That smile, I don't know whether you should break my heart or put me together. Those eyes, I don't know whether we should just stay friends or if we should get together. Right, baby, right. Right, baby, right. You and I would go good together, babe. I hope you won't throw it all away.
So here is my final piece and my thoughts about the kit. Number one, I could have done this with my own paint and used the same techniques in the booklet and got a canvas for, you know, super cheap at Michael's or even just paper, like heavy cardstock paper, and done the exact same thing. With that being said, my favorite tool to use was the turkey baster, so I think that's a general household item, so if you want to get that out, get some popsicle sticks and some dowels at the store, and you don't really need the kit. You don't need it. But say I was best friends with Serena Vanderwoodsen and she had 7-year-old twins and I was going to their house for a Christmas party and I wanted to bring a gift for her children, I would bring them this. You feel me? Yeah, basically the box is really nice. It's a MoMA product. It's kind of New York-ish. So I think it leaves a nice impression if you're someone like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, I would love if you could press the like button and subscribe if you want to see more crafts and more reviews. You can find me on Instagram at MaddCrafty, and I'll see you next time.